All right, so this is week 6, assignment 2. This is what they call a cyber hunt. First, you'll watch the video on cyberbullying. It's about a bunch of 7th graders start talking about it. Then you will go in here and you will, so you'll start new attempt. And the way this works is each one of the assignments has a link, a different link, goes someplace else. So you read the question, which is not a form of physical bullying according to the above website. So you would click on this and it will take you to a website for you to look to see what the answer will be in here. All right, so once you are done, you'll go back and you will say whatever the correct answer is, and then you'll go to next. You can take this twice, and if you have any problems or questions with the links, let me know. They all work for me, but I have different permissions than you do, and so hopefully they will all work. So if you have any problems, go ahead and message me and we will work it out. Have a great day.